Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open copper wire. We will dive straight into a straightforward technique for safely and efficiently exposing the copper conductor within insulated wires. This method is perfect for various projects, from small repairs to larger electrical tasks. You will learn how to prepare your wires correctly, ensuring good connections and optimal performance. Let's get started and make your wire work much easier. Before we begin, let's talk about the right tools and, more importantly, safety. For this easy method, you will primarily need a good pair of wire strippers or a sharp utility knife. Remember, safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear such as safety glasses to shield your eyes from any stray wire fragments. Also, ensure your workspace is clean, well-lit, and organized for maximum efficiency and safety. Now, let's get to the core of our easy method. First, measure and mark the precise length of insulation you need to remove, typically about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Next, using your wire strippers or utility knife, carefully score the insulation around the wire's circumference. Apply just enough pressure to cut the insulation without nicking the copper conductor. Finally, gently pull the scored insulation away, revealing the clean copper wire beneath. To ensure your wire stripping is always perfect, here are a few helpful tips. Always use wire strippers that match the gauge of your wire. This prevents accidental nicks or cuts to the copper. If using a knife, apply minimal pressure to score only the insulation, never the conductor. Remember, a damaged copper strand can significantly weaken the wire's integrity. Practice on some scrap wire first to build confidence and refine your technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.